Hey Ben and Babes, it's Michael Finch here. Today I'm going to be showing you two different sorts of brows. On this side we're going to be doing like a more natural sort of brow, and on this side we're going to be doing more of like an Instagram sort of brow. So if you guys want to see how I get these brow looks and some little tricks that I might have up my sleeve, then keep on watching. Alright guys, the first thing I'm just going to be doing is taking the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to be taking the spoolie side of that, and I'm just going to more so just be brushing through my brow just to get all the hairs into place. Okay guys, now moving on to the fun part, I'm going to be taking the pencil side. Now this is so good because it's got such a micro tip so you can really get in there and focus. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start filling in underneath my brow, and I'm going to be extending the end because I've got like rather short brows. This is really good because you can extend the brow, you can completely change the shape. Next up, I'm going to be taking some of the Gimme Brow, and I'm just going to be running that through my brow. Now, what this does is it basically just tints the hair, and if you got any powder, it just gets rid of all of that. A little trick that I like to do is go back and forward because it really like teases the brow and it really coats everything and gives it more of like a natural sort of vibe. Okay guys, the last step for this natural brow, I'm going to be taking the 24-hour brow setter. Now this is basically just like hairspray for your brows. It keeps them in place all day and they don't move a millimeter. So here we have the natural brow all done. It's fun, it's easy, and it's done in 3 simple steps. Now we're going to be moving over to the Instagram brow, which is totally more me and it's so extra, so let's go. So firstly, I'm going to be taking the Browsings kit, and I'm basically just going to go through my brow. I'm really focusing on like the front part as well, and I'm just kind of creating a new shape before I'm going over and, you know, setting over it with the powder. So I'm just trying to get my desired shape. Okay guys, now what you want to do is set that gel in place. So I'm going to be taking the powder side from Browsings, and I'm going to be going over everything that I've just done. Now the reason why I'm doing powder straight over the top is to lock it in place. And I feel like if you put a powder down without the gel, it just doesn't stick as well. It doesn't come up as pigmented. It might not last as long. But when you've got the gel underneath and then you go over with the powder, I feel like it's just so much better. Alright guys, now for like my favorite part ever, I'm going to be taking 3D brow tones, and I'm just going to be putting that straight through my brow. Now we're going to be taking the highbrow pencil. This is like Botox for your eyebrows. Like it's an instant brow lift. And what I like to do is just take my middle finger and I just like to blend that out ever so slightly. You don't need to blend it too much. Okay guys, so here we have the 2 finished brow looks. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you follow me on my YouTube and Instagram, both at Makeup by Michael Finch, and remember to always keep your brows on fleek. Bye guys.